So on the Obi and I were planning to do a hot noodle challenge, but I wanted to mix it up a little bit, so it's a prank in a hot noodles challenge. Guys, I got my scotch bonnet peppers and I hot them up, and I was thinking of putting all the scotch bonnet pepper and all the pepper seeds in Obi's noodle and don't put none at all in mine. But obviously me, he catch me in saying don't trust me people, so maybe I have to mix it up a little bit. You know, me put all I see then, all of the pepper seeds in a Obi's noodle, and I put none in a for me. You know, when I put in a mine, I put some sesame seeds in a mine. But you know, to make it a little believable, I had to put some of the scotch bonnet pepper skin in mine, but I gave probably most of the pepper skin and all of the pepper seeds. So guys, stay tuned. It's a very interesting onion challenge.
We have our hot noodle challenge. This is Obi's cup noodle, and this is mine. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Trisha.
And I'm Leonard.
And together we are the Youngs. And today guys, we'll be doing the famous hot noodle challenge. We've been seeing this going on all over YouTube, and we say, alright, we're gonna try it. Oh, right. So guys, we have the cup noodle, ramen cup noodle. But guys, if you're new here, please hit the subscription button down below. Please like the video, please share and comment, guys. And if you are, you know, a long time young member, welcome back. So guys, I went ahead and I prepared the noodle. I don't know if you can see it, but guys, what we are using scotch bonnet pepper with the seed them, right? How it smell there?
Smell hot.
Serious? Actually,
No,
we're not,
smell
no lies. It smells really hot.
So hold on, I'm supposed to drink all of this?
All the
And you see them too?
I don't you see them. Everything's supposed to clear, and the first person to finish, it win.
First person to finish win?
Down to the skin you're supposed to eat, you know, Mr. Young. Down to the skin and the pepper.
Alright.
We'll see how long we're gonna take. Alright guys. Mark, set, go. Mighty God. The pepper. How it tastes to you, babe?
Just hot.
But we're hungry.
So hold on there. Where milk? See what's the kind of milk?
No kind of milk. Yeah, eat it fast, man.
I'm sorry for go.
You're not taste the seed and so.
No yet.
What all the water?
You don't touch water yet. I'm not going full.
That make you go and cold.
It's a second man.
You know, so make me feel drink. Should I drink the water? It's a juice, right?
Now you're getting
And then I cool it down with the noodle.
What's not spring?
Ooh. Yeah, you burn my chest. I drink the noodle, the water, and you burn my chest. You burn my chest with throat people.
And it's give me stomach also.
Never drink milk. Enough milk after this.
I win still.
You done the noodle? I mean, I done the soup. I asked for sure.
No man, this hot man. Super hot man.
My technique work.
You drink the skin. You drink the skin too. You eat the skin too. Mình mua ra rum. You done?
Yes.
Turn upside down. Turn upside down. Nothing turn like up.
Yeah, mama eat the pepper skin too? You sure? Leo, tell me true. Me not say I eat one pepper skin.
Make sure you go and talk to me, just doing everything on the
Leo, eat the pepper skin. The pepper skin not included, people. Me done, me win. Everything out there.
Show them.
What do you think? Me win, Leo.
What think she win? Alright.
Me not eat the pepper skin.
Congratulations, she win. What time I relax and done.
Alright. So all the soup water, how it tastes?
It's hot, you know. It's hot. But I'm a slow eater. So, I can't eat in challenge, yo. I take all half an hour to get me sweet up my food.
It's a very slow heat.
It take like 5 minutes. I'm not
yeah. Me
and
eat.
say, oh, I feel bad.
Yeah, true. I swallow food.
But guys, she's the winner.
When food nice, you must swallow food, though.
She's the winner.
Alright, so confession time, people.
Confession? Oh, that come again.
Confession! It's a prank! It's a prank too.
What
so
prank?
guys, let me tell you.
You not put nothing up here?
No, you know see, eat pepper skin.
So yeah.
Alright, what I did, right? Initially, I wasn't planning to put any sort of pepper in mine at all, but he catch me. He catch me one time, I cut out the pepper and he said, don't trust me, saying they are lyric and they are look. So, you know, me they have to put something in my soup, so I put the skin. However, I put most of the skin, skin in a fee, more skin than mine, and I give him all of the pepper seed them.
You disqualified then?
No! When me put it on my own, I put oh shit. And the man is sweating up, people. Look at him face, full of sweat. When me put it on mine, I did sesame seed.
Alright, people. Me done. Eat my pepper.
You eat it? No, you're not eating no pepper.
Well, drink my soup with
but on a
everything in
scale
there.
of 1 to 10, where would I rate the hotness of the Scotch bonnet pepper soup?
Hotness? I give about a 8.
8? Well, my one, you know, I love pepper long time. My one never so hot.
My nose are
The bun, because my chest kind of burn me, but I like it a 5. So 8 versus a 5 is well drinkable.
She win.
Ooh, I won. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this hot pepper noodle challenge. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Until next time, I wipe my nose before I drain it out. All the sinus.
Oh, sure.
Bye
Bye guys.
guys.
Oh, nasty.